In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a shortcut from Google Drive. To begin, open your preferred web browser. If you are using Chrome, look for the Google Apps icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is a grid of small squares. Clicking on it provides quick access to various Google services. You will see options like Google Search, Gmail, and Google Drive. Opening the browser is crucial because it allows you to access your Google Drive files efficiently. Once you click on the Google Apps icon, a menu will drop down, making your next steps easier. Next, click on Drive from the menu. This action will take you directly to your Google Drive account. Once there, you will see all your files and folders organized neatly. This is important because it is here that you will find the shortcuts you want to manage. Google Drive keeps your documents accessible and organized, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with your Drive layout. You may notice files that are important to you and others that might need some tidying up. Now locate the shortcut you want to remove. Look for the curved arrow icon on top of the file or folder icon. This icon indicates that it is a shortcut to another file or folder. Finding the correct shortcut is essential because you want to ensure that you are removing the right one, avoiding any accidental deletions of important files. Once you identify your target shortcut, you can proceed with the next steps confidently. After that, right-click the shortcut you want to delete. If you prefer, you can also click on the three vertical dots located next to it. This action will open a context menu that provides various options related to that shortcut. Knowing how to access this menu is useful because it allows you to manage your files easily. You will see options like Open, Share, or Move to Trash. Make sure you are on the right shortcut before proceeding to the next step. Once you have the context menu open, select Move to Trash. Alternatively, you can click on the trash can icon located in the top toolbar. This action will send the shortcut to your trash, removing it from your Drive view. It's important to note that deleting a shortcut does not delete the original file or folder. This distinction is crucial for maintaining your important documents while keeping your Drive organized. After moving it to the trash, you will see a confirmation that the shortcut has been removed. In summary, we have walked through the steps to delete a shortcut from Google Drive. You started by opening your browser and accessing Google Drive. Then you located the shortcut, right-clicked it, and selected the option to move it to trash. Each of these steps is designed to ensure you maintain control over your files. Remember, keeping your Google Drive organized can save you time and make it easier to find what you need. You can revisit these steps anytime you need to declutter your Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.